Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first just click here, type control panel, and then select view by, make it small icons, go to network and sharing center, and then you will find here uh, your connection type, access type, internet, and here we'll find internet or Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter, just click on it and then click properties. After that select protocol, internet version 4, click properties, and now once you're here we'll find it like that. Click used following, then as server addresses make it 111.1001, and that's it. After that all you have to do just click OK and close it. That's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.